how to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. So if you want to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you need to go with your story. And from here, you need to select two images and then go with next, which is on the bottom right, and tap on separate. And once you tap on it, now here you will have two stories, right? So as you know that you won't be able to add the music more than 15 seconds. So you need to go with the music which is on the top right and select the music that you would like to add. So I'll just simply choose blue. Now you need to remember the part where this song ends in the first story. Once you remember, now you need to simply go with the done option which is on the top right and then go with the next story and go with music again and select the same song. And from here, you need to go with the part where the story ended in the first one and go with done again, which is on top right. And now as you can see that your music continues till 30 seconds. That's how you can make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.